Hey guys, this is JNR Contracting here, and we are going to do an unboxing today. Now, this is from Hitachi. I'm very excited to have done business with him, and I'm definitely going to do more business with him in the future. And I wanted this model actually for over a year, but so recently we've become better friends, and so yeah, so let's get into this here. Excuse me. So yeah, I've got some more stuff coming in the future. So yeah, well, let's see here. Says the name's not important, so this is Japanese newspaper. Interesting guy. And he likes to shop at Target too, I see. Now, I have some other attachments for this model. I don't know if they're in here. Of course, now I get the smaller box as soon as I send out the thing. Oh well. Here's a bucket here. So, there's a bucket. I don't see the pins. So, I guess I'll have to get some. But, it's a nice model here. So here is the model. Finally in my hands after a long time without one. Nice to see one in my hands. Looks like I can pull this out too. Looks like I got some good news and stuff like that. Well, this is definitely going to be worked on. A little bit of work done to it. But yeah. I plan on making like this more of a forestry machine, but let me see if the pins are in here. So yeah, definitely something I've wanted for a while. It's not there. Let's double check here. Yeah, so it's definitely something I needed. Well, I don't know if say needed, but something I wanted. I guess I don't get things. Oh well. Double checking here. I don't see any pins. Oh well. Yeah. Oh yep, that's about it. Very nice machine. Again, I want to make this more of a forestry type thing here. But it's nice to have one in my grasp. Again. Just a little bit of touch-up work that'll need to be done. But pretty much it for this review, or unboxing I should say. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and we will see you in the next video.